And we are live. So we're live for live stream 224. Our first attempt, we had to abort because there were gaps in the prices. So I had to go online, troubleshoot what the issue was, managed to resolve that issue. Now, let's talk about these markets. So last night we had earnings from Tesla, Microsoft, and Meta. Mixed bag of results, 40-bit volatility coming into the market. We also had FOMC, which again, with FOMC, we're looking at a potential catalyst in the market. Let's take this long here. Long. Got a long over on ES as well. Long. So we had a look at what was due. 2150. Let's get these stops in. 2150. Looks like I'm going to be stopped out. Yes. Would have got to stop. Got stopped out there on NQ. So let's have a look here. Stopped out on both. So I thought the market would trend coming into today. And it seemed a little bit like it was going to chop around a little bit here. Seems to have gone directional. Now, when I came in, the range was around the 240s. On NQ and around 48 on ES. Now we've seen the range extend to 314 on NQ and 53.25 on ES. Got a range up at 58.3 up on gold. And don't even joke around. 56.50. So it would have been stopped out. 2150. Got down to 19. Yep, so it would have been stopped out. So those trades were taken correctly. These are mean reversion trades. So we had the FOMC catalyst. We've had the market run up on gold. Seems to be going to all-time highs. Be a very strong breakout candle there. Going to retest the all-time highs. Pulling back a little bit. You can see from the open of the candle we've just traveled up. So that's likely the FOMC news. Seeing the converse action in, not to the same extent in terms of volatility on the indexes, RNQ and ES. You can see the breakdown of P&L so far today. We've lost 17 on NQ, lost 7 on ES. So, not seen enough yet to make the adjustment of trading with momentum. So I'll continue to counter trend trade and we'll see how that develops. Of course, if this market goes selling today, if it trends to the downside, then I could be in some serious trouble. Certainly could be. We'll see. So we got the highs around the open and we haven't looked back since. We'll see what this market brings. We were trading counter trend on gold. We would have had our face written off on this move up. I don't believe it's actually gone to the all-time highs yet. Let's see. Where is gold? Gold is here. On the daily chart, it's saying it's gone through the all-time highs. Yep, on the daily chart. That's interesting. On this chart, it's not saying that's the case. Again, it might be. Let's have a look at the. Where do I find the statistics here? 52-week range. 53.2 is the all-time highs. Oh, maybe it could be the all-time highs after all. Previously around 802, we've had a breakout. Oh, goodness me. Am I brave enough to take a... No, I don't think I am. It'll be a short at 46.6. Shorts in a market that's this strong. Let's think about this. And the move I wanted to see on NQ. You gotta be kidding me. Stopped out down there at 20. Price got to 1950 and now we're seeing the buying. Likewise on ES. Golly. Stopped out, then buyers have come back. Gotta be kidding me, right? Oh my word. Get stopped out. Oh my word. This thing's ran 20 points. And the short I wanted to, I didn't take there. That would have hit target. I didn't take the short on gold because I thought, well, be taking a bit of a risk considering how much he's traveled to the upside. Okay. Mm. Mm. So we're back above 2-day VWAP on NQ. This line right here. Having difficulties with it on ES. Oh, we're not. Or we put it in the wrong place. No, that's NQ. ES. Where did this go to? It didn't even get down to the lows. Can you trust it? CNQ wants to trend along. It's gotta be a joke. Oh my flipping word. It's gotta be a joke. Come on. Most important thing right now is to probably not to go off script with a strategy. $46.8. No, that's too close. Hold on. So it's below. I shouldn't. Don't think I'm gonna get this. You know what? No. No, it doesn't qualify. Does not qualify. It's fucking. Fuck me. So I've just got a short setup here. Counter trend. 85, 75. 85, 75. 76 is a target. Short. 79.50 is a stop. $21.50 is a target. Just added to that position there. 85, 75. 85, 75. 76. Okay, so that qualifies. 79.50. 21.50. Of course, if this continues to trend up, could be in some. Hold on a sec. Let's think about this. VIX is in a trending area. Gosh, sugar. Sugar. Should allow this trade to work itself out. You know what? Take it off. Take it off. Let's go have a look at VIX. No. We've closed above 2-day VWAP here as well. Let's look for longs. Let's find a strategy. Let's see. Let's see where the strategy is. Okay. All right. So 37. We can take that long. $35. Oh my. 78.50. Don't think I'm gonna get that. $76.50. It's not that far away. $76.50. Add. $10.25. That's the risk reward on that's terrible. So decide to go with a trending system here. $76.50 seems all right. You know what? Let's try and get 14.75. And that's at 69.25. So we're in at 54.50. $76.75. Come on, 69.25. Target filled right there. Let's try and see if we can get a pullback down to, I think it's 55. Original target was 76.75. 76.50 actually. Kind of banked on a pullback coming in off the 200 before getting to that level, but should have kept the level. Should have kept the level. You never know. May be able to get back in before he gets there. Let's see if we pull back. Nope. Nope. Gone through. Cancel this order. breakout. Yeah, this isn't coming back. Cancel this order. So let's look big picture. Yeah. I'm not going to counter trend this now. I'm going to trade with momentum. I got the 2-day VWAP, price came below it. All the way down to 56.50 on NQ. Go down to the 420s. Back up to the 500s, away from that 2-day VWAP. Seems like you want to go and test the original VWAP. Currently at 95. Let's think about this. How can we definitely left a lot on the table there. From essentially 69, it's got up to 85. We'll wait for a pullback. 69. Think about it. 69, 76, 50, 7 points essentially. Ah, come on. Can I get in before it tests VWAP? Can I get in before it tests VWAP? Don't think I'm going to get a chance. VWAP sitting there at 96.25, 94.25, 94, 95, 50. Golly. Look at that. Seeing VIX fall. Seeing that strong buying momentum. Just have to figure this out. Just got to figure this out. Seeing gold come back a bit here. So this is actually a long on gold. Yeah, of course. Let's see. 85.8. 85. Huh? That's not right. 45.8. 45.8. 41.6. 41.6. This completely reverses. Oh, 41.6. This may completely reverse. Seen that breakdown there. 45. Seems to have a lot of volume. Let's think about it's coming up to that 100. See, we're in a negative. No. Seems seems the breakout's just continuing to the upside on the indexes. No, let's leave it alone. If it gets stopped out, then so be it. Seems like that's what's going to happen. Got to figure out a way to stay in the profitable trades longer, because we're seeing a move up to 618. 618 there, and we were in all the way up to 69. Yep, should be getting stopped out here. Can't seem to even make a new higher. Can't even make a higher high. So which is going to take us, we're going to lose about 8 onto the 7, going to be down about 15, 16. And 16. Let's think about this. Where does this want to go? Our previous day's high up at 98. 698 on, and Q111 on ES. Let's see. Let's turn this down into a 3. Let's see. I guess a test of all-time highs. $13 to the downside. Still in a decent place with the VIX. We'll see. We'll see if this momentum strategy does what we need it to. I'm going to have to make adjustments. Let's think about this. So we'll be in. So it seems I've got a long being set up here on ES. Okay, so I've got a long on ES. 94.75. 94.75. 80.25. 80.25. So let's see if we can get this over order in. We gapped up. Gapped up at the open of the candle. Let's see if we can come down and get us in. Do you just simply pay? Am I being too cheap? Am I being too cheap here? Okay. So we're in at the same price. Guarantee it's probably going to not work now. You know what? Oh, it's at the same. Just 80.25. Sure. Hold on a sec. Gold. Gold, 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 gold. Oop. Long on gold. $36.4. Add to the gold. 36.4. Seems I'm having some issues here. $43.2. 43.2. 43.2. Let's go. Seems that patience would have worked. Would have got filled at a better price. Came down to VWAP there, buyers have stepped in. VIX is still below that minus 5%, where we like to see it. Fortunately, gold is not in our favor at the moment. Seems I'm about to get a long setup on NQ. We'll stay patient here. Three seconds to go. Long on NQ. 1550. So not quite to the highs. 5175. Not quite to the lows either. And now we wait. Gold seems to be about to tell us to go to Mars. Are we rejecting? Are we rejecting off this VWAP here? Currently sandwiched between the 200 and the VWAP. Long added 1550. $51.75. Again, just trading momentum here. Trying to anyway. Trying to trade momentum up to the upside. Are we showing? Are we showing VWAP enough respect? That's the question. So trying to trade momentum here. It's not going so well on any of the instruments. Neither on ES nor NQ. I suppose gold, but I've got the most risk on here over on NQ. Gold, let's put an alert up at 43.2 if we can get there. See, the VIX is still in a good place for longs, but the price action's not supporting it. Yeah, doesn't look good at the moment. Yeah, looks like it's going to be a stop out. Ah, goodness me. Guess momentum doesn't see me favorably. Going to be stopped out here. Going to lose 34. Stopped out there as well. Stopped out on the SNNQ. Down 73. Good stuff. Probably pick up, if we can get to target here, we're going to pick up 15. I'll leave it on this chart for now. And when I come back, we'll see if we've got something better setting up. Just got to step away from the charts. Oh my. I've got a setup long. Hold on. Oh no. No, no, no. Got that wrong. Got that wrong. Short. $70.75. Let's think about the stops. 87. Hey, 350. There is a risk because we've come into the 2-day view up here. There is a risk of it using a support. It's going to add to that position. It's going to add to that position. They say there was a risk of 2-day VWAP acting as a bit of a support. $508.50. $508.50. $508.50. Come on. Not a single fucking trade's working for me. $70.75. $87. Just getting ready to get stopped out over. So this blue line is our 2-day VWAP. Price just can't seem to get through at the moment. On VIX, we've gone back inside of 5%. Currently at 4.89%. We are at a level on ES, not ES, NQ. There is a level around this 3650. There is a level around here. That could prove problematic. $5.14 could be an issue as well. So again, true test of that 2-day VWAP. Due to the drawdown, I'm not trying to go for extended targets here. Testing that 14, which is this low here. There we go. Target filled. Not quite, down to 71 there. 71.25, 2 ticks away. Like we're saying, we've got this level here, around at 72.25. This low. See if this market goes and picks us up. Just test that 71.25 again. 2 ticks away. Could double bottom here. Gonna put an alert. Oh, gonna put an alert out there at 71. See if we can get 1 tick below. 1 tick from target. There we go. 71. Target filled. Down to only minus 15. Both targets got hit right there. Again, due to the size of the hole I was in, wasn't willing to wait for an extended target. So I'll be patient here. Still got a gold trade. Still hanging around this 200. If we do get to target on gold, we'll be about flat on the day. I took that off for a loss. Just realized the mic was muted. So FOMO'd in long here. Target was not even at 60. I put it at 60.50. Price got to 60.25, came back, stopped me out. That triggered me. Went short. Price has come back and keeps getting bought up here. So decided to take it off for another loss. Now we're down to 61. After not so long ago being down only 15, then 26, then I think it's 35. Not long after we've gone into the 40s. We decided to go long with the VIX. 73, 75. 73, 75. What we breaking there? Decided to go long there. 90, 75. Think it's breaking out, so who knows? Maybe we'll continue. Maybe it won't. 81.25. Oh. Oh, of course. $13. So we got 4 there. If we get to target, we're going to pick up 10, bring us down to 51. Pick up 23. That's going to bring us down to pretty much where we started. Finally got up to the 60s there. A little bit more patient on my part. Anyway, we've got to use our... We're currently just using VIX. The other momentum indicator is too slow to turn around. 68, pretty close to target there. 89.50. 89.50. What's that? 5 ticks from target on the old ES. Oh, come on. Let's go pick us up. Through the 68s there. Want to see the 70 get hit. Target appears to be in a good area. Below the 77s. Seems to be a good area for the target. Seems like a good area. Never know with ES. Of course, the most risk is on NQ. See if we can pick this up. Oh my gosh. So we got to 70.50. That got to be kidding me. You have got to be kidding me. Look how quickly that got from 89 down to 86. Ugh, my gosh. What was the daily chart? So the daily chart looks like it's building a bit of a bull flag. We do have Apple earnings tonight, I believe. Let's see. Earnings, 30th, market cap. Why has it not got? Let's do this. Okay. Apple. So we've got Apple. We've got Visa. So VIX is saying long and should have just stayed patient. What is this? My flipping knife. Look how close it came. Well, this being 3 points away, that's an eternity for the... That's an eternity for... What's this instrument? ES. Imagine NASDAQ could just drag it with it. Golly. Fuck me, man. Golly. Come on, ES. Drag this joker to target. 89.50. Let's put an alert at 90. 89.75. So I've got two alerts. One at the highs, 89.75. One tick above. One tick above that, 90. Fuck me, man. Come on. NASDAQ's dragging it down. It's running into the 200. Can't get away. Don't understand why it's even selling here. There's nothing I can see. There's nothing I can see to the left that could potentially act as a resistance. Apart from this 200 here, I can't see anything. Maybe, this area here. Around 70. it aligns with it. Okay, that's interesting. So this area, price came down, had a bit of a bounce off that level. Still holding this pretty steep trend line, which have aligned with these highs over here. This market's struggling a little bit. There's only so much ES can do. There's only so much ES can do before NASDAQ drags it down like an anchor. So what we need to see is NASDAQ would need to break the 71s. At the moment, it's just being a dog, man. Being an absolute dog. It's got to 89.25. Don't give me a double top. That's exactly what would be required on the old NASDAQ. Golly. Still holding the steep trend line. Not sure about the NASDAQ base. The base is being built below the 200. I prefer it if it was above the 200. I'm starting to curl a bit. That would be my preference. Okay, so we've gapped up at 89. Dips are being bought, but how long for? It's only so much the bulls can hold it up. I just want to get to the other side. See some of these profits. So this takes us down to 51. If we're then to lose, probably lose what? Oh, still be down 80. Goodness me, can't afford that. Cannot afford that. Prices are up to 60. Right up to the VWAP. So we're 13 points away. Retesting that trend line. Hopefully we can get a bullish close here. Or a break of the highs. Hopefully we can get a close above that 89. God, man, what is with this thing? Thing about it is I don't like taking profits early because we've seen earlier in the trading session I take profits early right there at 69 and then prices just continue to the upside when the target should have been 75. Golly. See, that's what I was worried about. Pull back in ES. Would see a stop out here. due to the, what do you say? Due to the differences in volatility. Fuck, man. Oh my word. It's just gonna fucking come out, man. $40 to candle close. Let's see if we can hold higher prices. Let's clear the highs there. What do we get to? Didn't get to 90. Got to 89.75. So we're 4 ticks away. We know 4 ticks is quite a lot on ES. It's a lot. Got to, what is that? Oh, 57. Are you for real? So that's nothing. This needs to get into the 60s. That's nothing. New candle. Retested at 89.75. Seems to be double topping at the minute. Gone through there at the 90s. Got as high as 90.25, 2 ticks away. Saying 90.75 was hit. Target's got filled right there. Down to 52. Thought it'd be 51. Commissions, of course. Let's see if we can pick up this 23. Because it's so far away now. ES is coming into an area where we could see a pullback. Because this is so far away from its target that this makes it even more difficult. If we do get to target, it'll be like starting again. So let's say we pick up 22. No, so we'll be down at 30. Well, 30 will be difficult to accumulate before the end of day. I wouldn't say it's an insurmountable amount, but definitely would need to go and pick it up. So that's down at 13. Okay, that's not the designated stop. It's not the designated stop, but we're up at 68. Got a stop at, not a stop, got an alert at 71.25. So if we break through the 70.50s by 3 ticks, it's going to be triggered. Testing at 70.50, which aligns with this area over here to the left. Previously had a bit of a pullback from there. Came into that area. We've seen a pullback. So around about the 70s there. So this area right here. Come on. Break out of that. 71.50. So we're looking for... Oh, don't sell, man. Golly. This thing's a joke. This thing's an absolute joke. Got to 71.75 and sold off. What is that about? 2 points from target. Oh my word. Word. Oh no, I couldn't take it. Just thought I seen a setup on ES. Golly, come on. Set an alert to 71.50. Alert at 73. Let's see. 71.25, 71.50. We just got to 72. 72.75. 4 ticks away. Can we just go and pick up? Oh my word, come on. It's got to 73. 3 ticks away. 3 ticks. Can we just go and pick it up? I've got the VWAP right here. Ticks, man. Come on. Oh my word. Golly. Taking that off. I just took it off. Let's see if I can get it back. Down at 50. I just let my frustration get to me there. I just took it off because it's like, so was that 59? It's like 13. So if we get here, when we get to 63, would it be? Okay. You know what? To be fair, that is. I'll just leave it alone. I'll just leave it alone. Let's put it at the original target. Our level here at 36.50. Let's see. So we came down to 36.50. Buyers have come back in, looking for prices to take us through the highs here. Take us up to that original target of 73.75. Matter of fact, potentially got continuation here. Double top, eh? Potential double top. 19 seconds to go. Oh, sugar. I can't do that. 4, 3, 2. I'm in. 96.25. $96.25. $84.75. $84.75. Add into the position on the next candle here. Oh. Oh my word, come on. Come on, go pick me up. Oh, come on. There we go. 96.25. 96.25. 34.75. Because I've added higher, took my risk reward negative. So this is a true setup. What we've got here on a true momentum setup, what we've got here on the old NQ. On the NQ to ES. Price came down to that level there, 36.50, coming up to the original target there, 73.75. Picked that up. So down to 19. Down to 19. Let's see what we can do here. Let's see. Currently above the highs, 96.25. How high did we get? So 91 came through at 92. 96.25. You know what? 95.25. Let's do 95.25. So it's at 84. Let's copy that. Copy. Paste that. And let's put that 84.75. So we're going to try and get in. Try to get out there at 95.25. Copy. Copy. 96.25. So we try to get back in down at 94.25. 94.25. And then try to target the original target up at 96.25. So I was trying to get out, hoping I could get out, and prices come back so I can try and get that 96.25. It's not part of the original system, but see if it's going to have that pullback because we just broke these highs here. See if we get that pullback and can target a 96.25. May prove to be a mistake, but we'll see. We'll see here. It's momentum strong. Market won't look back. But we'll see. See if we can get a pullback. The risk reward on this is going to be really out of whack. because my stop is going to be all the way down here at 84.75. I believe that's where the original was. 9450. So one tick away. So one tick away. So what would I have left on the table? Come on. 95.75, 2 ticks from target, 96, 96.25, 96.50, yep. So that was a mistake on my part. That was a mistake on my part. That was a mistake. What was it, 95.25? It would be what, 94.75? No, I can't do that. It's actually hit that 96.25, so. Mm. 97. No, that's just too high. Yeah, there's some profits on the table there. Definitely 98. Left a lot of profit on the table. Left a lot of profit on the table. Mismanagement, but down to 11. Mismanagement. Mismanagement on my part. Right into the VWAP here. Okay, let's see. Da, da, da. Goodness me, we got 98.75 on ES. Goodness me. Breaking out up towards the 100s. Well, that's the thing. Was expecting a pullback in a breakout. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna be. This is a bit of FOMO here. I'm not gonna pretend it's not. Ah, goodness me. Thought I could get in before the 100. So I'm in. And I'm trying to pick up 1 point. That's what I originally was looking for. 125. So the 1 point I didn't get down here, I'm trying to pick it up. Who knows? This could prove to be a fatal mistake, especially at 6,100. Okay, pick that up. It's down to 8. So the VIX is down to 7.25. So the momentum's clear. Momentum is clear. Gold continues to work. Gold trades continue to work. But I've been in fear of the lack of volume. So I've been staying away. Let's do the same for this here. Let's see. Yeah, it's right there. Da-da. That's fairly large. If it's fairly large, so be it. So we are coming into that zone. Higher day. Around at 101.50. Seeing that rally into the Apple earnings. Have I moved these? No, I did not. Leave it as it is. NQ, you can see a bit of a doji, but we're bullish. Sold quite a bit from the highs. ES. It looks like a bull flag. See, it just looks like a bull flag here. Let's see, I'll get a line. So we go up. There's a flag. See, it just looks like a bull flag. So we gap down and we flagged. So his Apple earnings is going to get us to close the DeepSeek AI gap in the next day or so. Or we're just going to fall out to the downside. Is this the thing I'm looking for? Nah. This market is fairly bullish, so I don't know. How do I get out of this? There we go. What does NQ look like? We haven't had a new low since that DeepSeek AI news. All we've seen are higher lows on the daily chart. That's all we've seen. Distance from the previous low is smaller each time, but we've just seen higher lows and higher highs in electronic trading hours. Again, the Apple news look to get back to where the market opened, around the 21,770s. We'll see. We'll see. I'm not sure if I can even... I'm not sure if I'll be able to even get to break even on the day. Let's see, so 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. That's 6. And then that took me, so it's like 7 hours. 7 hours. Let's get this done. Oh my. Ah, that's a long. Oh, golly. That's pretty high. That's pretty high. Looking for 103.50. 103.50. 618.25. 618.25. Added. Added. 103.50. 94. 94. 94. 73. 73. 618.25. 103.50. Let's see. 618. 618.25. So bought pretty high, looking for the continuation. This requires price to get inside of this zone. Likewise over here. Does require a move inside the zone. Not as much as NQ, but it does require a move inside the zone. Unfortunately, the risk reward is well out of whack on both instruments. We'll see here. Let's see if we pick up 16 and we pick up like 7. It's going to be like 23. Yeah, I'll walk away. That should be enough to walk away. Think this is going to pull back. It's about whether I can survive the pullback or not. What's the thing? It's whether I can survive the pullback. So you had a break of D, VWAP pulled back, tested, bullish candle, steady stalled. It just did not continue. You would think a pullback would act like a bit of a bungee cord, pull back and then go higher to at least a 14 spot. Nope. Pull back, bungee cord, double top, fail. Ugh. I'm wondering if that was the chance there, especially what we saw on the NQ. This looks like it's going to come and stop me out. Seeing a pickup in momentum there. Yeah, maybe it's going to pull back quite a bit. Doesn't look good at the moment. I would have thought this move up would have been enough to take us up to the but no. We'll see. We'll see if this buying off VWAP can take us up to our target goal. We've had quite a few chances. We've had this chance of VWAP, this chance, this chance. Maybe the buyers are going to give up. And if they do, this could come down to the 200. Whoever's dip buying off VWAP may step out of the way. At the end of the day, we're seeing the VIX pulling from the 725s all the way down to the 647s at the moment. Which isn't a great sign if you're a bull. See, bullish move that we saw on NQ there. Doesn't seem, it's not nowhere near as dramatic on the ES. Nowhere near. So ran up to that midline, struggling. I'll leave it alone. Let's see, 6. So we're going to lose in 15 plus 28. My word, we're losing quite a lot if we get stopped out here. Quite a lot. Well, I took the trade, I took the risk, so So we just got to 1450 there, 1475. But again, we're coming into an area where we could see selling at any point within this box between 13, well, essentially 14 and 26. Strong selling could come in here at any point. Wow, 16. Pretty close to target there. High as 1675. Goodness me. Goodness me, I wonder if that was it. 1675. So what had that been? 6 ticks from target. ES is a long way away from target. So barely at break even. Seeing that move up there on ES. So hopefully this takes us up to target. 1625, 50. Can we get 75? 1725. Target filled right there. So we realize 7769. Now we wait. Now we wait. Now we wait on ES. Let's think about this. We're in about 125. We're looking to pick up. Oh, wow. Goodness me. 0275. Was that 3 ticks away? Goodness me. 3 ticks away. Just like that. I was thinking of adjusting my target down a little bit after seeing that move. Was that the last? 0275. 0350. I do think the target, despite being in this box, is in a okay place. I do think it's within reach. 0250. We target 0250, try to get back in at 0150. It's 325. So we're 225. You know what? I've interfered before and it's not worked out, so I'll leave it at 0350. Whatever the consequences might be. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Hmm. Seems we've run out of steam here. Which is a problem. It is a problem. Because I don't think I'll be able to survive a bigger pullback. Definitely not. So I've got a decision to make here. To get out for a small loss, wait for another setup, or stick with the plan dogmatically. That's the decision I've got to make. Because we've gone up quite a bit. The market due to pull back before breaking the highs. Probably clear this area here. Take out any stops there before breaking higher. If it breaks this area, come all the way down into this area down here. Looks like the decision is going to be taken out of my hands. It looks like the decision will be taken out of my hands. Yeah, this is pulling back. There's no point drawing that on there. It's pretty overbought. Got to 22 on NQ. Almost took out the highs, but it didn't. Came close, but didn't. Starting to roll. We're moving in hope here. I doubt we're going to find enough support. I doubt it. Just going to friggin' pick up pace. Hmm. Here we go. Here we go. Nah, the strength of the balls isn't there. If they were going to hold, I'd want to see strong buying immediately. Instead, buying just seems lukewarm. Seems like a poor attempt to go higher. See, just seems poor. Still not trusting this. Want to see stronger move. Immediate buying. See, we're seeing the selling. Want to just see this heading higher, higher, higher. What's that, 4? We'll be down, what, 3? Thinking of getting in here, but the difficulties I'm having with VS. Would have actually worked. $29.75. Oh my. 29.75. See, there we go. So I didn't trust it. The buyers just didn't seem strong. Look how quickly all those gains have been given up. Oh, let's see. 0950. Let's take it. $89. Hold on. You know what? Picked up 3 there. It says it would have been 29.75. Should be up to 2 contracts. Break out of the 25s. Should be up to 2 contracts, but took it off, didn't I? See. NQ seems stronger. This is struggling. Struggling to get away from this area. Not seeing complete domination by the bulls. And that's why I can't be confident in taking this. Cannot be confident. See, we've gone into that area, seeing selling, retested this area here, which is another area. So got a bit of a dual, got a bit of a double up here. What did we take? So we sold only 27, but that's still selling. We got here 6, 12. Goodness me, that's like 18. No, it's not 18. It's more like 15. See, we've run into that area again. More selling. So it comes down to you stick with the plan regardless. Or do you trade the market that's in front of you? Who knows? Let's see what Nasdaq is doing. Still a bit of a doji on the daily chart. So in about an hour and 15 we have Apple earnings. Let's see what the market thinks of Apple. Let's see, I need a chart for Apple. Let's go have a look for it. Let's go see what Apple's doing. Let's see. Where is Apple? I don't even have it on here. Let's go have a look. So Apple's been pretty mixed today. It's about flat. Let's see. Apple report for the fiscal Q1 earnings, expecting 2.35 per share. Analysts forecast 5% rise in net income to 35.6 billion. And the 3.9% revenue increase to 124.3 billion. So they're expecting Apple to put forward some really good profits. Now, let's see. We should say to everyone that's watching that, if they are commenting in the chat, I cannot see it. Let's see. See, we had the sell there and the buyers came back immediately after this candle came into the highs here. I'm wondering if they'll break these walls, break these bears. We need to get to 25. We get to 25, we were breaking those bears. Definitely be looking towards the highs here up at 26, and then a quick move up to the 30s, and hopefully that can drag this up to the 103s, because the top of the zone's at 0975. A move to the 30s on NQ in theory should drag ES up. ES a little untrustworthy at the moment. Price action is untrustworthy. Bulls stalled. That's not what we want to see. We want to see we get up and continue. This stall here is a problem. It is a problem. But then again, there's no guarantees that a move to the upside on NQ will drag ES. Could trade. Could be a trade divergence across the two. Because we're seeing this move higher. See, if you look at this, the price action here, the structure seems bullish. Look at that. Through the 21s. So that trade down here at the 09s. Very good trade. Took it off pretty early there. Wow. Retested the highs there. Well, this is not even at break even. Golly. So you look at that. That was up. Man, this is just not great. This is not great. Finally, it's at break even. Wow, look at that. Through to 29.75. So if I would have took that trade, would have been a pretty decent trade. Look at that, new highs. 29.75. Could have picked up 21. Probably the average would have brought me down to about picking up 15. So look at this. This is at break even. Wow, that's just broke through the highs. So I need an even more extended move to the upside here on NQ, not on to drag. It's weak, relative. Suppose I should say it's relative to what we've seen. ES up to where we need it to go. So we're up to 101, 101.50. So we need 2 points or 8 ticks, which is quite a lot for a market that's been moving so slow. We've come into the high. Oh my gosh. Come into the highs and the sellers have come back. What sort of joke is this? Got to 101.75. Let's see. Let's put an alert out there at 102.75. Do I have one? Yes, I do. Have one up here at 102.75. Let's see if we can get it. Okay. Oh, I see. So this is in towards a higher day, whereas over on NQ, the higher day. Oh wow. Got to the 750s. Pretty close to the old gap fill on the daily chart of the 770s. You can see on the bottom right hand side of the screen. Oh, come on. Got to 102 there. It's pulled back, so 102, we're 6 ticks away. Let's keep an eye on NQ. What's NQ doing here? And hopefully NQ can build a bit of a base and springboard further to the upside. Retested at 29.75. Hopefully we can springboard to the upside and drag ES with us. If it can be bought to the upside on ES. Hopefully we're going to pick up 3, maybe. What's that going to be? Close to 10. Be up 20 on the day. Call it a day at that point. 102.25. So we're 5 ticks away, but we are into this zone. Are coming into this area we sold from before at the 102.75s. So we do need to successfully navigate that. Hope that there aren't any bears just hanging around in that at that level, at the 102.75s or at the 103s. We are coming into power hour as well. A very tricky period for me anyway. Look at this market getting overbought. Oh my gosh, man. Oh my word. The market goes overbought. So seeing that move to the upside further on NQ, right into the 37s. It's continuing this breakout while ES just hangs around. So we can see the strength is in NQ. Hoping I can drag ES along with it, which it seems to be having a difficult time doing. 8 minutes to go. I would want to get this before we see the 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time candle, because that could be a bit of a problem for us. We've seen the move up. Who knows? Maybe they'll want to pull it back before going long. So definitely would like to see. So we got to 250 there, 102.50. Come on. 4 ticks. 7 minutes. Can we do it? 102.75, 103. Just broke those highs there. Can we get the 2 ticks? Don't want to see bears here. Really don't want to see bears. We're into the 643, 644s on NQ. So we've got, oh my word, we've got NQ just rallying to the upside. We're just hanging around here, which is, I don't want to see. It's not what I want to see. Close at the 102.75s. So with 3 ticks, and we've got 6 minutes. 103s. Come on. Don't want to see bears here. I want to see the 25s. See, the 103s is a problem here. Who's hanging around at the 103 level? Oh my word. See, we've got as high as 46 there. Oh, this has just been hanging around at 103s and the 102.75s. Can we think if we can get through that 103? We could see a quick move up to the 103.50s. Then it's a case of whether the market wants to fill me or not. Goodness me. 103s again. Gap down at the open. That's not what we want to see. So we closed at 103, but we gapped down. And our high is 103. So we're seeing buying there on NQ. I want to see that translate over here. Come on. Can we get 103.25? 103.50s. Can we get filled? Yep, we got filled. Quick move there. After breaking, seeing the breakout here. Quick move all the way up to the 105s. Exactly what we wanted to see. Had to stay patient there. NQ, likewise breaking out all the way up to the 50s. Picked up 18 on the day. Breakdown of the P&L on the right hand side of the screen. Picked up 9 on gold, 4 on NQ and 4 on ES. Have a look at the trade performance on what's been a difficult day. So look how much this is breaking out. Look at that. From the 103s to the 106 within a single candle. Once we got through the 107.50s, sorry, 102.75s, quick move right there up to the 106s, 106.25s. Let's have a look at the trade performance. So over on the trade performance here, you can see a very volatile P&L. Drew down, what's that, 24? 24, 73, got back to break even. Drew down a huge amount again, down 61. And we are going to end the day up 18. So the volatility we're seeing here, not great. Doesn't suggest good trading. Over on the summary page, a lot of churn, quite a lot of commission. 174 gross, 155 loss. Profit factor barely above 1, but we're profitable. Not sure why the accuracy is that much. But we did add to a couple of trades that did go in our favor. So the average winner is smaller than the average loser because of that. So that's not a great ratio. I don't like to see that. It's not 1 to 1. It's 0.38. Largest win, largest loss again. Don't like the discrepancy here. It's almost twice as big. Time in the market about 7 minutes. That's pretty standard. Pretty standard for the way I trade. So a profitable day nonetheless. I'm going to call it a day here. And finally, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.